Quando?
Hello class, my name is Bernie. I come from the United States of America and I am going to say a few words for you that have TH sound, okay? TH. Think. Think. Thank you. Thank you. Theater. Theater. Thumb. Thumb. Brother. Brother. South. South America. South America. Brazil is in South America. North America. North America. California is in North America. Throat. 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 The ball. The ball. Football. The ball. Mother. Mother. I love my mother. Father. Father. I hug my father. Now, those were some words that have the TH sound. I'm going to speak the difference between the number 3 and a tree. Okay? 3 has the TH sound. Re. Re. 3. Tree has the cha sound. Like cha cha cha. Ch cha. Tree. 3. Tree. I hope that helped. Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you! Esse é meu amigo, que ele me ajudou no trabalho de inglês. Bye!